What are Google Ads shopping ads? So if you are an e-commerce business, shopping ads, Google Ads shopping ads are one of the best ways to promote your products. So if I go to buy iPhone, let's go buy iPhone 12 or 11 or whatever. Why aren't they showing any ads? Okay, I'll do buy LED. Okay, so very strange that there were no shopping ads popping up on that Google page for buy iPhone, but there it is. So these are the shopping ads which are right at the top, and also you will see a shopping tab at the top, but we're looking over here. These are your text ads, and these are the shopping ads. So shopping ads are really good because it will show the photo of that product. If you hover the mouse, you will get more description or more information. You have the product name or the title, the price, and the business or the seller. So I can see that these are all done by Kelkoo, all of these. And if you go and open this up, you will find lots of advertisers running shopping ads on Google. Now, these Google ads work wonderfully well if your pricing is very competitive, because people are going to look over here and they probably will go for the cheapest price if it's a like for like product. Now I can see lots of different makes and models, but if I find one reseller selling for 478 and another one selling for, well, it won't be so much difference, but if it was 450, then I'm more likely to click on this ad. So make sure that your pricing is very good unless you have a good reason to charge a higher price.